YouTube. Hi all the wig connoisseurs out there and those who are interested in wearing wigs. I am Thick Girls One, that is my subscription name, and I'm here to do my second wig review. And I'm going to do a wig review on the Sis or Sister Girls lace wig. Let me make sure that's her name. Sister Wigs, and it's a lace front. And as you can see, her name is Devin, CFL-H Devin. And the color I have is Ombre 3681. As you can see, she also is able to be curled, but like I said from my first video, not quite certain, if I'm interested in that. So that's how she's advertised, and I'm going to put her on and see how she looks. But prior to me putting that wig on, just letting you guys know that, since this is my first second YouTube video, I am still under production, so I do plan on having a cover before I go directly into these videos. I do plan on not having no part 1 and a part 2, but you gotta start somewhere, so this is my start. Also, I noticed on the video, it looks like that my tatas are kind of big. Trust me, they're not that big. I think it's just the way this shirt looks, but no, they're not that big. I wish they were voluptuous, but that's on another note. So let me go ahead back to the wig review. Okay, so here she is, Miss Devin, and that's her lace, so I'm going to have to cut her. And in the inside, she has combs on both sides, as you can see right here. Pull her up right there, and then she of course has a wig by the label, and you see it says Sis there, and for security, I guess we're going to put her on and see what she looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and pause, and I'm going to try to cut some of the lace off and come on back, let you know what it looks like.